2610 online course, Writing in Plain English for Parents and Carers. I'm Melinda Maddock. I'm a Plain English trainer with 2610, which is Tasmania's campaign for adult literacy and numeracy. You may have noticed that some parents and carers of your students don't respond to notices and forms that are sent home. Or perhaps you've seen a poorly written note come to school from an adult at home. This may be because the parents and carers of your students are among the many Tasmanians who struggle with tasks involving letters and numbers. It's really important that our readers can understand what we write. That's why it's up to all of us to develop the skills of communicating clearly. In this course, we aim to help you better understand plain English, so what it consists of, what good examples are, also to practice writing in plain English, and become familiar with Communicate Clearly, a guide to plain English, so that you can use it as a tool to continue to put into practice what you learn. The guide is a fantastic resource to have lying around, on your desk, under your pillow, whatever works for you. Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need. The Communicate Clearly Guide to Plain English, the activity worksheets, and a piece of your own writing to practice on. No matter what you write, whether it's emails, newsletter articles, or reports, this course will help you get your message through to the people who matter most, your readers.